Guys, in this video I will show you how to replace the car battery on this Audi A4 B6 model, and it's the easiest job you will ever do. So make sure you watch the entire video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dutch Mike. Today I will be showing you how to replace the car battery on the Audi A4 1.8 turbo, the B6 model, as you all know, the one I have. But first, my gratitude guys, 800 subscribers already. 801 to be precise at the moment of filming. Today is Saturday, so tomorrow you will see this, and maybe we have one more or one less. Anyway, thank you all for that. Today we will be discussing the car battery change on this Audi. So first of all, let's open the hood and show you what is underneath. So guys, this is when we pop the hood. As you can see in front here, there is no car battery. So where is it? It's right over there. You can see it says car battery. Now, what you want to do first, take this thing off, you just click it, ta-da, we have a car battery. But that hole is not big enough to replace. So what we do next, you take this one, the rubber off, you can easily take it off, and then you click this entire plating off. Now this goes through on this side and it goes over here. See, it's already loosey. So this will be pretty easy. It's the easiest job you will ever do on this car. Pretty easy, right? Now the second thing, when you, let's see if you can see it, down here there may be a bolt to keep this one in place, but that's the only thing, you guys. So as you can see, car battery, it's the easiest job you will ever do, especially on this car. As you know, on my Volkswagen Touareg the car battery was under the driver's seat. Thankfully it's not in this car, but yeah, that's easy. That's at least a 1+ on this car. So yeah, that being said, that was already today's video, you guys. I know it's a short video, but this week I'm on a holiday, so maybe I will put on some better videos. But yeah, to come back with this car battery, it's the easiest thing to replace. Other stuff might not be so easy, but with this car it's pretty darn easy. So we have that going for us. So again, take the rubber off, take the entire panel out. Now don't be afraid if you think you have to replace or take off the window wipers, because as you can see here, it's a different part, a different plastic. You can just take this entire thing, scoop it under out, and then, well, it's pretty basic. Just replace the battery, take off one, take off two, and then you're all set to go. So yeah, that's it. If you like that, leave a thumbs up. So guys, with this car engine, the video is done, because it's a really easy job. And well, if you like this, leave a thumbs up, subscribe down below, leave me a reaction so I know what you all think of it. If I missed something, for example. Anyway, that's the video for today. I hope to see you guys the next time. See you later, guys.